everybody, so welcome to this use case using Elai.io to create breaking news feature, a free option if you keep it limited to 3 slides under 1 minute. So first of all, I registered for the site and I will just continue here. And if you register for the first time, you need to verify your email. Once you've verified your email, you can start to choose from which source you want to make a video. Is it from a template within Elai? Is it from an avatar, an AI storyboard, which actually uses GPT to create or optimize your text, from a URL or from a PowerPoint or PDF? Now, because I want to make it a little bit easy on myself and I want to see the effect of Elai, I chose to go from template. That's the easiest one. So I'm going for news and I'm taking the latest, let me see, breaking news, let me see, I want to have maybe this one. This looks simple enough. Okay, this one, breaking news. So you can play and then hear what the storyline is of this particular template. And if you agree with it, you just say, create video. And as you know, I have been using or writing my text here. This is my final text, which takes approximately 48 seconds. And I divided it into 3 segments. Okay, so I'm going to my text and I'm going to just copy the 3 items into my avatar's text. As you can see, there are also a couple of options you can take. Let me show you. This is the English option, which with the area being the free version of it, but you can also go through different languages and see whether there's, let me go for Dutch, like there's also a Dutch free version named Colette. Now, the fun thing is, of course, if you make a Dutch voice talk English, it's just fun. So I'm going to close this and keep the area US option. So I put in all the text, and now you can also change around some of the elements like I do right here. You can also change the avatars that you would like to have, but I'm keeping it with her Aria. Now, in the different slides, and so you only have 3 slides in the free option, you can change all elements and also change the text. So let me add yogurt, the title of the breaking news that I want to show, and just change it. Now, you can add an animation to the slides as well. So what I'm doing is I'm using one of the uploaded pictures, so I uploaded 2 of those. And first of all, I'm going to animate one of these pictures. So I don't add anything here, but I'm adding something in the second slide. And I'm selecting that particular picture and I'm telling it fade in, appearance time at 0 seconds, and I want it disappearing at 11.7 seconds. Why? Because my text at that point will shift in focus. And so I want to add a different picture, this one. I'm just going to resize it slightly. And I want this one to appear once the other one has disappeared. So I'm again selecting this picture. I'm saying, look, animate it. Animate this. Custom animation, because that's the only way to have a different animation for specific elements in your slides. I'm saying fade in at 14, because that's the moment it appears. So I want to add 14. Here we go. I want it exited at the, so fade out at scene end. Voila. Now, of course, I want to make sure that it actually works. And you can do this by clicking the little addition. So in the follow-up story, I'm going to try and add a video to the actual segment, new segment. So it's a follow-up. I'm going to delete the picture that was in it. I did upload a picture here. So add this one, yes. Then I want to make sure that the video only starts after a while. So what I did was I added some text for the avatar to speak, and then you have this pause option. And as the video is about 18 seconds long, I'm going to add pauses for about 1.5 seconds at a time. Just kind of, so how much do I have? 1, 3, 6. And then I'm going to test it, see whether it's long enough. But before I test it, I must make sure that I have all my settings correctly. So custom animation, I say this, I say enter on, it's a fade in, enter on, I think it was 10. So let me see, 10, and otherwise I adjust it later. Yep. Okay. And small remark, don't forget to increase the volume, otherwise you won't hear your video. After adjusting the timing a little bit, it worked, or it seemed to work. Now, important to know, you don't hear your video audio yet. It comes through after rendering. And then I added just a little GIF here too from the library of elements. So here's a GIF, and I search for yogurt. So it's nice. So let's see what it gives after rendering.